Test the validity of this expression.
To test the validity of the expression, if not P, then not Q, we will using a truth table. We'll break down the expression step by step. Let's draw a truth table.
Truth table breakdown. List variables, P and Q. Negations, not P and not Q. Implication, not P, then not Q.
Explanation.
Row 1. P is true. Q is true. Not P is false. Not Q is false. Implication is true. Row 2. P is true. Q is false. Then not P is false. Not Q is true. Implication is true. Row 3. P is false. Q is true. Then not P is true. Not Q is false. Implication is false. Row 4. P is false. Q is false. Then not P is true. Not Q is true. Implication is true.
Conclusion. The expression, not P then not Q, is not valid as it can be false, specifically in row 3. In logical terms, the statement is valid only when it cannot lead to a false conclusion. Here, it can lead to a false result when P is false and Q is true.